Hey guys, Uzi Tech Tips back here with a new video, and today I'll be showing you how to add extra hotkeys to your keyboard. So, for example, with the press of a button, I can open Google like that. So I'm doing this by using a extra numpad that's connected to my PC, which is different from my normal keyboard. For example, if I press, I'll show you on later. I'll show you a proper tutorial later. So firstly, you'll need to download this program. It's called HID Macros. I've listed a link in the description below. Press download and just press download here. Once you download it, run it as administrator. Make sure that happens. Then you'll be greeted with a GUI like this, graphical user interface. Once you are here, let's go to macros. So I'll be teaching the very basics, where you can make basic commands like open Google, open Discord, open extractor. For me, I have open Epic Games, open Google, Ryzen Master, Steam, and Discord. So we achieved this by first you'll need an external keyboard or numpad. I prefer a numpad because my setup is quite small. Not small, it's like quite compact and it's very clean. So I have a numpad. I'll show you just now. And then this main keyboard. So the thing I like about this is that this recognizes a numpad different from the numpad on the keyboard. So if I press example 4 on my numpad, it will not open Epic Games like it should be opening over here. So let's show you how it works. So you press new. So example, you want to open OBS. So OBS. Then you press scan for the number you want. So I'll press 6 on my numpad. Then I press run application, and I'll have to choose either the shortcut, or I can just choose the file. I'll choose the shortcut. Press open. Now I'm gonna press save configuration. Now if I close this, I'm pressing 6 on my numpad, it will OBS. So you see, it's already running. So I hope this tutorial helped y'all, and it's very basic, and something that you can use is those NRD files, which I'll have a link. You can have more detailed explanation there. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for the live demonstration of me using this in real time. Thanks guys. So as you can see, most of my there's my numpad, my normal keyboard. So this has a numpad that's different from there. So first of all, I would have to after all the settings that you done earlier in the video. So if I press example 3, it opens up Google. 4 will open Discord. It's loading Discord. So that's basically what I do. And now if I press 3, it will not open Google because it recognizes that as a different keyboard, which is awesome. So guys, thanks for watching the video.